Well, I finished the Lego Technique Rough Terrain Crane, model number 42082. And it even has some power functions. I'll do some quick display. First, I turn the battery on. And the first thing I'll do is I'll let it rotate. So I flip this switch. And so like that. Oops. This took me about five or 6 days to build. It wasn't as tough a build as I thought it would be. Okay, I'm going to stop the tape. I'm going to stop video and show you another function. Right now. Okay, now I'm going to raise the what do you call it? The supports. What do you call them? I don't know. The stabilizers. They are a little slow. And I'll lower them down. Now I'll show the boom. The arm, maybe you can call it. Okay, first we switch this switch here. Let me see. First I'll lower it down a little bit. Oops, wrong way. Then I'll raise the arm a little bit. Extend the boom. Let's see. Lower it down a little bit. Extend a little bit more. Let's see how it looks in the frame. Okay, and now I'll lower the boom down. Oops. Raise it up a little bit. Oops, wrong way. Okay. Lower it. And then I'll lower the boom a little bit. And I'll turn it off. Put it in neutral. You tell by it's neutral because it's really spread. And that's about it.